Introduction. Imagine if you could improve your health without spending a dime on expensive medications or supplements. Nature offers us incredible resources all around us that can help us stay healthier, stronger, and more vibrant. In this video, we're unlocking the secrets of 4 powerful foods: bananas, eggs, apples, and avocados that are more than just delicious snacks. They are nature's free medicine, packed with nutrients and healing properties that can transform your well-being. Ready to harness the power of nature's finest? Let's dive in. Banana, the heart helper, and energy booster. Bananas are often overlooked, but this humble fruit holds some of the most important nutrients for your body. Rich in potassium, bananas are a natural ally for heart health, helping to regulate blood pressure and prevent strokes. They also aid in digestion thanks to their high fiber content, promoting a healthy gut and reducing bloating. Why should you eat them? Boost energy. Bananas provide a natural source of energy, making them a perfect pre-workout snack or quick morning fuel. Heart health. Potassium helps maintain proper heart function and keeps your blood pressure in check. How to use them? Start your day with a banana smoothie, toss one in your bag for a quick snack, or simply enjoy one after your workout to replenish your body with natural sugars and nutrients. Egg, the protein powerhouse. Eggs are not only a kitchen staple, but a true nutritional powerhouse. Packed with high-quality protein, they support muscle repair and growth while keeping you fuller for longer. Eggs also contain essential vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, selenium and lutein, all of which are important for brain health and eye health. Why should you eat them? Muscle growth. The protein in eggs helps build and repair muscle, making them perfect for active individuals. Brain health. Nutrients like choline in eggs support cognitive function and help improve memory and focus. How to use them? Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are an incredibly versatile food. Add them to salads, make an omelette, or enjoy them in a breakfast burrito. Apple, the immunity-boosting snack. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And for good reason. Apples are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which plays a key role in strengthening your immune system. Along with aiding digestion due to their fiber content, apples also help regulate blood sugar levels and support heart health. Why should you eat them? Immunity boost. Apples are a great source of vitamin C, helping to strengthen your immune system and fight off infections. Weight management. The fiber in apples aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer, making them a great addition to any weight loss plan. How to use them? Eat an apple as a mid-afternoon snack, toss one in your salad for a sweet crunch, or enjoy it with peanut butter for a healthy and filling treat. Avocado. The heart-healthy fat avocados are known for their creamy texture and delicious taste, but they're also packed with healthy monounsaturated fats which support heart health. These healthy fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Additionally, avocados are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins like vitamin E and K, which benefit your skin and bones. Why should you eat them? Heart health. The healthy fats in avocado help reduce harmful cholesterol and improve overall cardiovascular health. Skin health. Avocado's antioxidants and healthy fats nourish your skin, keeping it soft, hydrated, and glowing. How to use them. Spread avocado on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to salads and sandwiches. It's a versatile ingredient that can enhance almost any meal. Conclusion: nature has gifted us these incredible foods, banana, egg, apple, and avocado, that offer not only convenience and flavor, but also the nutrients our bodies need to thrive. By incorporating these powerful foods into your daily routine, you can boost your heart health, improve digestion, increase energy, and even enhance your skin's radiance. So why not make nature's free medicine a part of your wellness journey today? Start small, enjoy these foods, and let your body experience the healing benefits. Like this video? Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share it with friends who need a health boost, and subscribe for more amazing tips on harnessing the power of natural foods for a healthier you.